Millennials starting to get married and jewelry stores are trying to keep pace, fighting to bridge the gap between online shopping and the brick-and-mortar experience. Diamond designer Ritani is doing just that, and joining us now is Ritani President Brian Watkins. Brian, good to see you.
Good to see you,
Thanks so much for joining us. We want to take a look at some of the jewels that you brought us today, but I have a question. It feels like the price of diamonds never goes down. Every year you see prices going higher.
Right.
Characterize that. Is that a true statement, first of all? And secondly, what is behind the strength in pricing for diamonds?
Yeah, in general, it's a true statement. I mean, it is a commodity-based product, so it is traded, so it can go up or down. But in general, what you're dealing with is a natural commodity with a limited supply and growing demand. And so what you're going to find is over time, prices continue to go up and up. I mean, a great example of that is, China 5 years ago was the 5th largest consumer of diamonds. Today, they're the 2nd largest consumer of diamonds. So that's continuing to impact the demand of diamonds and raising those prices.
Is the first the U.S.?
First is the U.S.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in terms of right now, seasonality, is now a busy time, summertime? I mean, how would you characterize the business right now?
Right. And for retail, right now we're in the wedding band season. So what's great about being in the jewelry industry is the summers you got wedding bands, you go in the fall, it's some gift giving, and then you go right into the holidays, which is really where most of the engagements happen. About 50% of all U.S. engagements happen between November and Valentine's Day. November and Valentine's Day.
Yes. Okay. All right. What did you bring for us today?
Yeah, we brought a lot of fun little stuff that you guys were looking at before. I mean, we brought a range to show you what we offer at Ritani. to start, we have a lot of fashion jewelry on site. So this is a 4-carat peridot cocktail ring. It's made by Erica Courtney, a leading designer, and it's something that's just really nice. It has green, it has olive color, and it has a price point of about $9,000.
Let me check out that yellow diamond right there.
Yeah. So this is a 8-carat fancy yellow diamond. It goes for about $250,000.
We need to put the other two on because those are.
I like
those
yellow
are
diamonds.
Seven-figure
yellow
rings.
diamonds, baby. Look at this.
I put that on and I had to take it off. It frightened me because both of those the solitaires are 7 figures.
These are both 7 figures. This is actually a great example of the difference between diamonds. This is a beautiful Asher cut ring, which is 7.5 carats, but it goes for about $1 million. And for the exact same price point of just over $1 million, it's an 18-carat cushion cut. And so this also talks about the variety of prices you can see in the marketplace.
That's a better quality.
Wow, this is an absolutely gorgeous diamond.
And it makes it more rare.
Look at that, how it sparkles.
Yeah,
this is 8 carats, you said?
There's 8 carats, and if it's an Asher cut, it makes it look very vintage. And so that's a real trend you see. The round stone is still the traditional diamond that you see in today's marketplace. Right. But ideas of Ashers or cushion cuts are also growing in popularity.
What is cushion cut? You said that earlier.
A cushion cut is just the way that the stone is faceted, but it's kind of larger. It's larger facets than the very fine, multifaceted, say, round cut.
Yeah, so your round's going to be more brilliant. It's going to be more eye-catching. And a cushion, some people have called it a pillow cut. It's a little softer because of how the fasting's done, but it makes it much more unique. How many carats is this? That's 18.
Whoa, 18 carats.
Generally, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, if you do a cushion cut, you need a better quality stone because the additional faceting you get with a round cut can hide.
You can hide a lot of stuff, and then that kind of hall of mirrors and making it very, very brilliant.
I don't even own a diamond ring right now. Why do I know this?
We can make something
your ring was stolen. I hate this.
A black diamond. Yeah, my engagement ring was stolen.
From a delivery man who went into her apartment to deliver furniture.
That was the thing about these rings. Like, good luck wearing them down the street in De Blasio.
Oh, you can't wear this down the street. I mean, 18 carats?
Special occasions.
Special occasions.
In the vault.
Now, what other than diamonds, what other jewels hold their value the best?
That's good. I mean, you look at anything where it's really just the makeup of the goods. So a lot of jewelry, if you go internationally, if you look at India, it's much more 24-carat yellow gold. Right, so you're not once again walking with a commodity metal, and it's trading on the open markets. So items like that are items that are very unique or valuable, rare.
And that's what we're seeing with what you brought today with some of these jewels. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Brian.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Good to have you on the program. We'll be watching the market. Brian Watkins is the president of Ritani, joining us right now.